Hey, it's Renstar. Sunday afternoon here in the land of the US of A, where we can still go out and be in Mother Nature. Starting to get a cloud cover, but I wanted to record this and upload it for my mother, who decided to take a different path during this time. And I just want her to know, Mom, if you're listening, I do want you to know, I had a really cool childhood. You were good. You were strong. Man, you had the most amazing garden. And you taught me a lot about standing up for myself and speaking up and asking questions. That's the wind in the trees, by the way. And you made a hell of a Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookie. Thanks for teaching me about organic food, co-ops, nuclear-free zones that we lived in. I miss you so much. I miss that person. It's really sad to watch what the pharmaceutical drugs have done to you over the years. Because you're not in there anymore. And now you decided to partake in the agenda. And now you're really not there anymore. And you're angry at me. But you know, you gave me life. And you taught me about integrity. And how to dance. And how to drive. Oh my God, you taught me how to drive a stick shift. So this goes down for notoriety purposes to put this on my channel. We're all struggling with this right now. It is heartbreaking. You know, this division, family, friends. It sucks. Yeah, it sucks. I miss my friends. I miss my mom. So, I guess that part of the agenda is achieved, to separate us all, to make us angry at one another for having a different opinion or the guts to speak out. What a trippy time to be alive. All we can do is raise the vibration and step into the creative mode. Pray, forgive, show compassion. Anyway, Mom, thanks. I love you. I hope you're staying sparkly. Peace.